Good morning! Happy Saturday mga papi! Alam mo ba kung anong mangyayari sa katawan natin if we stop running for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year? After 1 day, nothing bad yet. Your muscles are just recovering. You're still fit. That's normal rest. After 1 week, your cardio starts to dip. Stairs feel heavier. Yung energy mo, it goes down. And stress hits harder. Lalo na if running was your outlet. 1 month in, big changes. Your heart and lungs fitness drops. Muscles weaken. And fat gain increases, mga paps. Tapos, your blood sugar control gets worse. After 1 year, major reset na yan, mga paps. Definitely, wala ka ng endurance. Weight gain risk is high. Blood pressure, sugar, and stiffness all go up. And restarting at this point is super hard. So, bottom line, 1 day is rest. 1 week is warning. 1 month is decline. 1 year is building from zero. So, don't stop. Just slow down. But keep moving. Yun lang. Happy Saturday ulit. Run, 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 Orcovia! Yee! 6 kilometers, baby.